Hello students, so this is a +1 chemistry class and topic chapter we are doing that is chemical bonding, and today we will discuss topic formal charge. Like in the previous video we discussed about the Lewis dot structures ki number of electrons present in the valence shell are represented with the help of dots, and that structure is known as a Lewis dot structure of atoms, molecules or the compounds. Number of, like suppose in case of sodium one electron is present, it is represented like this with the help of one dot. So only one dot is there. And in case of a chlorine, like 7 electrons are present and it is represented like this, 7 are present, 2 4 6 7 and 7. So representation of a structure of an atom or a element with the help of a dots, that these dots represents the number of valence electrons present, means which are present in the outermost shell, is known as a Lewis dot structure. Now from this Lewis dot structure, or when it forms a bond with another atom, we can calculate the formal charge. Formal charge, what is it? It is the difference between the number of valence electrons in an isolated atom. Isolated atom is when it is in the free form, and the number of electrons assigned to that atom in a Lewis structure. Now what is the formula? How we can calculate what is the formal charge on any atom? It's a V plus L minus half S. V means number of valence electrons present in the last shell. L means lone pair, or lone pair means or the which are electrons which are not involved in the bonding, or the non-bonding electron is L, minus half S. S means shared electrons or the electrons which are involved in the bonding. S means bonding or a shared electrons. So the formula is V plus L minus half S. Now we will discuss it with the help of example, like in case of ozone, O3. This is the structure. So oxygen, 2 electrons are present here, and here is the double bond with another atom of oxygen. 4 are present in the valence shell, and the third bond with another atom of oxygen, and 6 electrons are present in the valence shell. And I have marked it. It is the oxygen atom 1. This one is 2, and this one is 3rd. Now first we will calculate formal charge on oxygen atom number 1. So oxygen atom number 1. So formal charge is equal to V plus L minus half S. V means valence electrons. So in case of oxygen, valence electrons are 6. Minus L. L means non-bonding electrons. Those non-bonding electrons are these 2. 1 lone pair and number of electrons are 2. 6 minus 2 minus half. Now shared electron. Shared electron means it forms a 3 bonds. 2 bond with this oxygen atom and 1 bond with this oxygen atom. So 3 bonds are present. It means total 6 electrons are. So shared electrons are 6. So here charge comes plus 1. 6 minus 2 minus half into 6. So the calculation it comes plus 1. Now we calculate formal charge on atom number 2. This one, atom number 2. In this case again number of valence electrons are same, 6. Now next one is the electrons which are present as a non-bonding electron. Those number of electron is 4. 2 and 2, 4. Minus 4 and minus half. Now shared electrons. So it forms a 2 bonds. 2 bond is formed with another atom of oxygen. It means number of electron is 4 and charge comes 0. Now after that it on the third atom, this one. Again number of valence electrons are 6, and the 6 are the non-bonding electrons, and 1 bond is formed. 1 bond it means 2 electrons are shared. So it is 6 minus half into 2 is equal to minus 1. So formal charge on oxygen atom third is minus 1. So on the oxygen atom 1 charge is plus 1, and on this second oxygen is 0, and on third oxygen is minus 1 charge. So in this way we can calculate formal charge on the atoms with the formula that V minus L minus half S. Number of electrons present in the valence shell, non-bonding electrons minus half, and the number of electrons which are shared or which are involved in the bonding. And this formal charge it only helps in keeping track of the valence electrons in the molecule. What number of valence electrons are present, and it also helps to helps in the selection of the lowest energy structure. Like different structures are formed. This is the structure, and this can be written like this also. this one structure with its oxygen single atom, and here is the double bond. So reverse of this structure. So these structures are formed, and this formal charge helps to in the selection of a structure with the lowest energy, structure of the lowest energy structures. So this is the how formal charge is helpful. It helps in keeping the track of the valence electrons in the molecule, and it helps in the selection of the lowest energy structure. And rest we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.